Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be showing you, and we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. So let's jump in. So the strategy is you can pick any topic for any niche or any niche for this, and it will work. So you can have just as much success as channels that do not show their face. So there's confusion or I guess misguidance onto this, that, well, successful channels usually are on camera, talking head type style videos, and you have to get on camera to show your face. Now I'm going to be debunking this and actually showing you some small realistic channels. So I'm not going to show you channels that they do exist that have millions of subscribers that do not show their face. But in this video, I'm going to actually just show you a lot for the people out there that, so we're going to go over that real quick. And then also just keep in mind that Teach Me Money Methods, this channel, I've put up over 130 videos and built almost 3,000 subscribers, and the channel's making around $250 a month just on YouTube revenue alone. And I've also pulled in over $12,000 over the last 6 months, and I don't show my face on camera either. So, and if you are interested, I do have a brand new course, and that is in the link below in the description. I have a brand new course called Small YouTube, Big Profits. If you want to see my journey and me teach you how to build a YouTube channel and start making money from it. So let's get right back into the video. Number 3, you can use Vidnami, and there is a link below as well, to create simple videos very quickly. Vidnami also just upgraded their software. They were already the best on the market, in my opinion, for creating videos quickly. Their AI engine is just superior to anyone else out there trying to do it. It'll take your text and actually bring in stock video footage or images, and they've increased the accuracy of that AI engine, where it actually reads an entire sentence, and it will take a couple of words that are next to each other and actually, so for example, one of their examples is accident. They'll have the word vehicle accident. You could have a fire accident or something like that. But instead of it just saying the way that the other softwares work, is it just takes the word accident and gives a picture of maybe a burning building, because that's an accident too. And then now what it does is it actually takes the word before it, that it was a vehicle accident, and actually will give you a vehicle accident video or image. So it's really cool. If you haven't subscribed to Vidnami, they are running only a couple times a year they do this. They're running a $29 special. So go ahead and check out the link below if you are interested as well. Number 4 in this strategy, without showing your face on camera for YouTube, you can use Sparkle Video Scribe whiteboard animation software to create videos as well. There's a lot of successful channels that do that as well. So whiteboard video, just keep in mind, will take a lot more time to create those videos, but they certainly are fun to watch. So you can use PowerPoint or Google Slides if you don't want to spend any money. Right now I'm using Google Slides. I usually use PowerPoint. Today I'm using Google Slides, and it's free. You can use Google Slides for free and create PowerPoint type presentations like this and put some fancy pictures, things like that. This isn't that fancy, but still you get the point. You can zoom through these and maybe you can put more animations in here and stuff to make it a little bit more interactive. So the possibilities are endless. Get started on your YouTube channel today. So let me show you some small and large YouTube channels. I think I only have one large one in there in my niche, that are crushing it without showing their face. So the first one, I'm subscribed to this channel. You can see some of the people I'm subscribed to. But on this one, it's Gallagher. So it's a YouTube success made easy. Gallagher, start growing it now. So his channel is all about YouTube tips, growing on YouTube. I've watched him grow from like 40,000 subscribers to now 90,000 subscribers. The Social Blade stats right here are not accurate. For some reason, the plugin does not work that accurately when it's over on YouTube, but then when you move over to the actual site, Social Blade, then it's more accurate. So you can see he's uploading, a couple videos a week, maybe one video a week, because his channel's so big. He's probably making some pretty good money. If you click on his videos, you'll notice that he sells a course in his videos as well, and I'm sure that makes him a lot more money than even the YouTube ad revenue. But there's Gallagher, just a YouTube tips channel, growing to almost 100,000 subscribers. And you can see he has 316 uploads, and he has had almost 6 million views. It's from the United States. It's in the entertainment niche, and was created in 2008. So the channel's been around a long time, but it doesn't seem like he really got going on the channel until the last couple of years. He's got a B- score, and here's what I look at. I look at the estimated monthly earnings, and when it's a channel that's in the make money online niche, I know the niches. If it's finance, money, fitness, anything like that, it's going to have a higher CPM. But if it's like a prank video, or if it's like a gamers type channel, then these numbers right here are going to be a lot more accurate. So what I do is, you take 613 and you multiply it by at least 4. Sometimes it goes up to even 7, 8, up to 10 times more than what it's saying, but just a fair number for what I'm seeing, even on my own YouTube channel, is it's at least 4 times larger than that. So he's making $2,500 a month just from having the channel on YouTube. So let's move on to the next one. So Residual Royalty Academy, they've got 5,000 subscribers, and they're only getting 10,000 views. It's actually, I'm getting more views on my channel and I have less subscribers. So it gets kind of interesting, right? But this channel, I follow up. They're in the low content niche category as well. And he's very successful KDP publisher. So if you haven't checked him out, go ahead and check them out as well. So it's kind of cool. You can put this the stat thing over here, and it from TubeBuddy. And it'll let you look at different stats where you compare to them. So I'm getting almost 18,000 views on my channel per month. They're getting 10,000. You can see what subscribers look like. They're getting 195 a month. I'm getting almost 500. So my channel is starting to hit a growth stride right now, which is really awesome to see. And then also videos, I'm pumping out way more videos, way more content. 17 videos in the last 30 days on my channel, only 6 for them. So they're definitely not focused on their YouTube channel. They're definitely doing a lot of publishing right now. But you can go and open them up on Social Blade and see that they have 187, and they publish very short videos, just more updates. A lot of videos are only 2 to 4 minutes long, so that will impact your channel a little bit. It is recommended a little bit to try to publish 8-minute videos if you can. But he's probably making I'd say about $150 a month if I had to guess. Let's move on. Prosper Project is just about money, marketing, mindset, and motivation. It's a pretty cool channel if you want to get updates from just kind of what's going on in the world financially, and also the United States. And so you can look at the stats and stuff as well, and then we'll go and take them. So they only have 8,000 subscribers. And we go over on the Social Blade. They have a good grade on Social Blade. 184 uploads, 8,000 subscribers, video views 609,000. And so here's the thing. And then here's what they're making. So 368, and it's in the money niche. So we can take that 368 and multiply that by 4 or 5. So they're making at least $1,500 a month, if I had to guess. Now, what's really neat is, or I hope you're seeing a pattern here. Most of these have over 100 videos. They have 130, 150, 200 videos on them, right? So they have 187 and they had 316. So if you can imagine for a minute, just kind of dream a little bit and put yourself in this, the mindset of, if I take a shot with this and I go all out, I'm going to create a YouTube channel. I'm going to put up 150 videos. Do you want success? Do you want to build a $1,500 a month residual passive income once you've got those videos uploaded? Yes, it will take hard work and dedication, but then you build a foundation and start making money from your channel, right? So let's go. I'm going to show you one more real quick. Burko Banks, he's in the make money online niche. He has 117,000 subscribers, 474 videos this guy's uploaded. He grinded it out. Up until this last year, he only had, I think a year ago, he had 50,000 subscribers, and he's taken his channel to the next level. He has almost 500 uploads. But he's only been around for a few years, creating this content, and he has over 6 million views, 117,000 subscribers, and 474 uploads. So you can take his, and I'm sure his is higher than that, but so he's making at least $2,500 a month just from YouTube ads revenue alone. He has his own YouTube course as well. And so, he's probably pulling in $5,000 to $10,000 a month from his YouTube channel as well. And he's getting, there's his subscribers, and then you can see the channel growth and all that. And sometimes I like to go and just look at the detailed statistics. And you can see, like his total subscribers, March in 2020. This was what my point was, March in 2020. So even last year, he only had 67,000 subscribers. And then look what happened. It just grew like crazy. It doubled in size in less than a year, which is really, really cool to see. So that's it for this video. So if you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, check out my brand new course, Small YouTube, Big Profits. The link is below, and it will take you on the journey of how I took a small YouTube channel, less than 3,000 subscribers, and how I made over $12,000 in the last 6 months, and a lot of strategies. And I just kind of turn the stone over and show you every single thing that I know about YouTube and how to make money from YouTube. So if you're interested in that, it's priced for everybody. And so it's not like my other courses where they start at $100. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And if you enjoyed this video and you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe if you want to get more content like this and you don't want to miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.